Raindrops falling on my way, but I don't mind, it feels okay. Little splashes on my shoes, like the sky just changed the mood. Every drop is calling me, step outside, just let it be. I'm dancing in the rain, just a little bit light. Every drop is falling in a rhythm so right. Clouds above, but my heart feels clear. Funny how the storm feels warm right here. I'm dancing in the rain, smiling again. Let it wash away the weight within. Even on a quiet, sleepy day, I can feel the music in the gray. Empty streets and a gentle breeze. Sunday morning moving lazily. Footsteps echo soft and slow, but inside me something starts to glow. Nothing rushing me today, I just let my mind replay. I'm dancing in the rain, just a little bit light. Every drop is falling in a rhythm so right. Clouds above, but my heart feels clear. Funny how the storm feels warm right here. I'm dancing in the rain, smiling again. Let it wash away the weight within. Umbrella spinning in my hand, walking slow, no bigger plan. Quiet streets, but I feel free, like the rain is just for me. No more rushing, no more race, just this calm and happy place. Let it fall, don't run away. Some joy hides in cloudy days. If you listen, you will find rain can clear your busy mind. Raindrops smile, stay a while. Let the moment make you smile. Even if the sky is gray, there's a brighter kind of day.